In this video, I'll show you how to insert an SD card into your Redmi 15C. So first things first, ensure that you have a SIM ejector tool. And if you don't have a SIM ejector tool, you can use a paper clip. And then the next thing is simply remove the SIM card tray. So the SIM card tray is located at the top left of the phone. So simply insert the SIM ejector tool on this hole to pop out the SIM card tray. So insert it and apply some pressure, and that should remove the SIM card tray. So you can now remove it from the phone. And then from here, you should see now the SD card slot. So grab your SD card and place it facing upwards on the phone. So it should look something like this. So once it's placed like this, all you have to do is now insert the SIM card tray back to your phone. And then ensure that you insert it gently and ensure that it's perfectly fit on the phone. Now from there, you can now confirm if the SIM card has been detected on your device. So simply go to the File Manager application on your device and then tap on Browse. And then from here, you should see your SD card from here. So that's basically it on how to insert an SD card into your Redmi 15C. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.